this is some rosemary. I'm gonna show you exactly what you can also do at home. Alright, we got some rosemary into it. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice. Alright, we're gonna show you can make yourself a nice lovely cup of rosemary tea. And this one is very good for you. Alright, and what you wanna do, get 2 nice lovely slices of a lemon and put it straight inside of it like this. With a couple cloves of garlic, couple cloves inside of it, or for about 4 cloves, tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And what you want to do, you want to just drink this before you go to your bed at night. Alright? This is just an amazing one for you. Alright? Beautiful one. Look at that. Yeah. So this is some rosemary tea. If you never drink this before, this is very, very good for you. Alright? Yeah. Very, very good for you guys. 100%. So you can give this one a try and see exactly how this one come out. So just cover it again for about 3 to 4 minutes and let it just dissolve into it. Alright, beautiful drink, guys, and I would encourage you guys to try this one at home. It's just something new, something different, but enough for you guys, because like I said, enough for you guys never drink this before. So it's just something where you can just try at home and see exactly what happened to your body. Alright, rosemary tea, very, very delicious and easy to make. Nothing too complicated. Yeah. And I put some cloves in it, so you know, cloves is really good for you. So yeah, give it a try, guys, and see exactly what do you think about this drink. Alright. Yeah. So it's just an amazing drink. This one you can drink before you go to your bed or in the morning before breakfast. You can drink it. Very, very good tea to drink. And rosemary is not only for just cook with. You can use it to make a drink, and you can use it to make tea. Alright, it's just something where I would encourage you just to give it a try at home. Alright, beautiful drink, guys. 100%. Definitely, you guys will love this one. Alright, so yeah, give it a try and give it a go and tell Chef Ricardo exactly what do you think about this drink. So once you have it for a couple of minutes, what you want to do, you want to remove the lid, the foil, alright, and just take a good look at it. And you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, look at that, beautiful and nice. Alright, you just want to just run it through your strainer and strain it and drink it. Very, very, very delicious drink, guys, to have before you go to your bed at night. Alright, honestly, this is just a drink where you want to just try and just give it a go and see the powerful result from it. Very good for detoxing, and not only that, it's very good for drinking the cool time and boosts up your immune system. It's just one of these kind of drink where you want to try, honestly, 100%. Alright, but if, as I say, it's just a recipe, you can give it a try, give it a go. And as I always say to you, I'm not a doctor and I'm not a nurse. You can do your own research. What's the benefit of lemon and cloves and apple cider vinegar and rosemary? See what's the benefit and what it can do for you at home. You only can try things at home, guys. If it doesn't work for you, it may work for someone else. But I know that it's very good to make tea and it's, you know, very delicious to do stuff with at home. All right, so it's just to give it a try and see what's good for you. But as I said before, I'm not a doctor and I'm not a nurse, but you can do your own research also and see the benefit you get from it. All right, beautiful one. And this is it right here, guys, and as hopefully you guys will definitely like this one. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend to a friend, because we have a lot more recipe coming up and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. All right, as you can see it for yourself. So in the meantime, what we're gonna do also, just gonna make a bedtime drink, because it's bedtime now. All right, I normally make a little bedtime drink, but this one you can also pour it off and just drink it as a detoxing drink. So yeah, and it's also really good for you. So this is one of my bedtime drinks I normally drink before I go to my bed, and honestly it works really well. All right, so I'm just gonna give this one another go tonight before I even go to my bed. Bedtime drink, guys. See that? All right, no sugar. You don't have to add no sugar in it. There are so many things in it to keep you smooth and comfortable, and you just go to your bed and get a good night's sleep. And that's exactly what you need to do in them time. All right, beautiful time of the year, but you know you have to look after yourself and make sure you're on track. All right, guys. Yeah, bedtime drink. That's Chef Ricardo right here. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, because we have a lot more recipe coming up and a lot more ideas. And I will definitely see you in the kitchen again with more.